Hello, everybody. Welcome to the ASK fraternity. I'm going to introduce you to our group community, that is ASK Ability Skill Knowledge Fraternity. It is an online learning and earning platform which aims to enhance the skills of the youth living across the world. It promotes the talent of humans, online education for higher education, teaching workplace skills, and exploring new interests that provide certificate courses and diploma courses. ASK offers free international webinars, workshops, and paid short courses. Our vision. So, this is our community vision of ASKF. This is flexibility, individual focus on students, motivation, inspire to students and new talents of common people with the aim to explore something new. Our mission is for creating a successful career, a job review, safe environment, especially for females, decrease unemployment rate, take actions and inspire the youth. Our executive team. So I shall introduce to our founder, a life coach and an entrepreneur, Dr. Aksar Rabbani. Because of her, this community is formed. So she is the founder. Then Mr. Zain Khan, vice president and finance partner, and Ms. Arsha Kainat, the CEO and management controller. Yes, this is certain testimonials that will prove how good our community is working. The partners, they include many countries, the students, and the founders of different institutes are joining us. The collaborators, the programs that we are conducting, these are the list of programs, and I'm so proud to be the part of this community because I saw the program list and they were almost nearby to 50. So these are the list of programs, very intriguing and interesting and worth knowledgeable, and many more programs are there in the queue. And yes, of course, you are the part now of the community, so most welcome to all of you. These are certain membership cards and the things that we are providing in the institute, that is the cards. Then benefit of the card is know your desired outcomes, save money, job opportunities we provide, free membership card delivery we have, enhance your knowledge. Of course, the certificates will definitely enhance your knowledge. The courses are worth improving. And yes, this was a basic introduction of our community. So now I'm going to introduce you to today's webinar. Before I start with the webinar, I would like to thank Dr. Aksar Abbani for giving me this opportunity to come and speak on such a crucial topic that is most important nowadays, that is stress management. Yes. So thank you, ma'am. Thank you for the opportunity. Then I would like to thank ASK Fraternity Group for inviting me for this webinar. I am obliged to them. And yes, most thank you for all of you attending the webinar. So, welcome, guys. And as you are taking your time to attend the webinar, it means that this is an issue with you or you want to know what's the answer to this. So stay tuned with us till the end so that I can give you the best secret at the last, at the end of the webinar. So don't miss the end. So in between also, I'm going to share certain intriguing activities. So stay tuned. Okay, let us begin. That is strategies to stress management. So the first thing about stress management is there are two words, okay? One is stress and another one is management. So first we are going to talk about what is stress, okay? When the stress is clear, then you can understand how to manage it, okay? So what is stress? I'm trying to explain in very simple word. If you have any doubt, you can give in the comment section, okay? Stress is a natural human response that prompts us to address challenges and threats in our life. Everyone experiences stress to some degree. Stress is how we react when we feel under pressure or threatened. It usually happens when we are in a situation that we don't feel we can manage or control. Okay, so pehle let us talk about stress in our general term. Okay, everybody talk this word or speak up with no. Today I'm very much worried here. I'm in stress. Okay, so stress होता क्या है? What is stress? In our common thing, stress is a human response. Okay, something that is not going according to us. For say, I'm having my exam. Okay, and I'm making preparation for it. I have learned certain question answers. I go to the exam hall and the question paper comes in front of me. Exactly whatever I have learned is written in the ask in the question. Okay, so the same thing is asked in the question. I am happy. Okay, exam ka stress hai, I am having the exam stress, but it is a good one, है ना? But if anything happens that I am not able to answer the paper, whatever the question will be asked to me, I'm unable to answer it. Now I am feeling that I am disliking it. I am unable to write the paper. I will get less marks. Then, whatever my body start reacting, my face, my posture, my mind, my brain, that human response, which is unfair or unfavorable condition, that builds a bad stress. So everyone experiences stress in some or other situation in certain degrees. Some keep calm in certain things, some are very hyper in reaction. So whatever your body is reacting, that is called as stress. सो स्ट्रेस इज हाउ वी रिएक्ट. ओके, आप कैसे रिएक्ट करते हो सामने की सिचुएशन के लिए, उसे बोलते हैं स्ट्रेस. what we feel under pressure, if boss is pampering you, hammering on your head, so all this is called as stress. Yes, so are you all clear about what is stress? I hope I have made it clear. Yes, now there are two types of stress. One is positive stress, another one is negative stress. Positive stress are generally very good, we say. If you don't have examination, you won't study. So this can come under positive stress. Sometimes, when you're going for any interview or any type of webinar or something like that, you have stress. Like, for example, let's take mine. Today, I was having my webinar. So, before the webinar, I was so excited, okay, to meet all of you. So, this was a positive stress for me. Okay, I am so glad to see that I'm again back in the community and presenting a webinar in front of you. So this was a stress on me, but it was a positive stress. Okay, now comes the negative stress. Negative stress is something that is you are not expecting the situation and the situation is coming to you. Okay, so sometimes it happens like you say that please no no no, you have a good luck and you nahi, ye situation nahi chahiye, you don't want this situation, but the same situation you are attracting towards yourself and the same situation happens with you, then whatever your body reacts in a negative way, okay, in a negative way, that includes in a negative stress. For example, you love certain person very much, you are very fond of a certain pet or person or any things, and exactly that person, that thing is going away from you, and you don't want to release it. So that time, whatever your body reacts or whatever your mind or psychology talks to you, that you have to stretch it out, that comes your negative stress. So positive stress is good for health. Negative stress is very dangerous. We are going to see in the next coming upcoming slides. We are going to talk about it in detail. Okay. Yeah. These are certain reactions that we do. These are the certain ways or levels. Like first one is just, oh my God. The second is my head is paining. And the third is like a destructive mode. So I have added certain pictorial presentations for you to understand in a better mode. I hope these all you are experiencing in your life, right? आप सब ये इस दौर से गुजर रहे होंगे, हम सब गुजरते हैं अलग अलग मोड पे. या now how you will come to know that whether you are in stress or not. So these are certain points that I found worth sharing with you. Whenever your heart is full, okay, maybe by happiness or by certain sadness, and your spell starts crying, like whenever you speak up some word, you start crying to talk, or you are unable to speak because your heart is full. So that is that you can say that it is a stress. Okay, burst of anger. Sometimes somebody goes with like, what is this? Okay, in that anger mode or more devastating than whatever I'm speaking. So that can be called as that person is in stress. Okay, then difficulty in eating. Sometimes it's happened that the situations don't allow you to eat interestingly. ऐसा लगता है कि I don't want to eat. No, I'll eat after some time, or I don't want, or I don't like now. So this type of nauseas can also include in stress. Losing interest in daily activities. So when you are in stress by emotional, by physical, or by mental, anyhow, the person who is in stress doesn't like to perform his daily activities. He likes sleeping, he likes sitting at one place and just sitting and do nothing. So that can also be a sign of stress. That comes in a negative part of stress. Increasing physical distress symptoms such as headache and stomach pain. Yeah, your stomach is paining, headache, in normal sense. I'm not talking about any of the chronic disease, but in normal sense, your head is paining, and you are not able to cope up with your daily activities, fatigue, okay, feeling guilty, helpless. No, I can't do anything. I can't give my exams. I can't be successful in life. I can't have a good relationship. I am unable to do this. I can't do that. The negative approach in your life is also a part of stress. Okay, avoid families and friends. Yeah, many a times when we are sad or we are not willing to do anything, the thing is when our relatives invite you for any of the function or any party or something, your friends and family, generally we avoid going in them, because we don't want the fake smile and we don't want to disturb them. Maybe because of any reason, we don't get involved. So these all are the signs of stress. So if you all are going through this, any of this, it means that you are in stress. Okay, the level can be moderate, low, high, any, but these are the signs that you are in stress. So analyze yourself. Am I fitting in any of these points? Just see it and think over it, because next what we are going to talk is about how to cope up with this stress. Okay, so yes, I'm busy, my time is going, I'm scheduled late, rush. So these all the problems that comes under stress. Oh my god. very devastating. Okay. So what are the causes of stress? So why this thing happens? Okay. ये क्यों होता है? Why we are coming across stress? Because we feel under lots of pressure. So first thing is our feeling. We are feeling in pressure. हमें बहुत प्रेशर है किसी चीज़ का. We are in pressure to of certain thing, maybe about job, maybe about relationship, maybe about some responsibilities, many other things. Have big changes in our life, yes. Maybe changes can be like the stressful changes can be like financial problem. Suddenly someone's job is terminated, someone is terminated by the job, he's having pressure. Okay, so what to do, घर खर्चा कैसे चलेगा, how to manage the household expenses, how I'll cope up with my daily expenses, what will happen next, will I get the job, what will I do, I don't have job, I won't have I can't keep my family happy. So this can be a very big change in life that can bring stress to somebody. Are worried about something. Yes, somebody is worried about any disease in the family, any upsetness or any hardship going on. Okay, in any relationship, that my husband, my wife, she is having worst relationship with me. My kids are not good to me. So it can be with any of the relation. My parents are not well healthy, or they are facing some wealth issue or health issue, or anyhow it can be anyhow. Okay, my business is not working, I am trying to come up with my personal disease or something like that. Yeah. So this can be the issue. Okay. The next is don't have much or any control over the outcome of situation. Don't have much control. Yes, there are certain situations, no, that we don't have control to it. Okay, once the thing is done, it is done, and we can change it, as well as we don't have that power to hold the situation or overcome with the situation. In that situation also, many of the times we overthink. Okay, here I wanted to talk about, most I wanted to tell is overthinking. Many a times if you analyze yourself, okay, just think for 1 minute that the situation you are tensed about. Okay, everybody is having stress. Okay, you are having tension. So now, right now, whatever tension you have, just think about exactly, can you work on that tension that it will solve? Is that situation in your hand? And I'm sure 90% of the situation is not in your hand. You cannot control it, and still you are worried about it. For example, I can tell about my students. They are, after giving the exam, they come in pressure and in tension and come to me and ask, "Ma'am, how I don't know. My paper was little bit this. I made little mistake. I did this, that. My paper was good, but still I would get good marks or not. What will happen? What will not happen?" They are in worry. They start thinking. They start overthinking. And my answer to them is always, "You have given your paper. It means your work is done. Now the tension is on the teacher to check it on time and display the result. So it is not your tension. This situation of getting good marks or less marks or something, that is out of your control. What is in your control? The thing was to study before the exam and to perform well in the exam was in your control. And you have performed it, you have did it. So whatever the result will be, you are responsible to that. And now thinking about what will the result come is certainly biased or certainly vague to think, no? Because it is not in your hand to display the result, to get good marks, to give good marks. It is teacher's work. So let her do her work efficiently, right? Then many times you ask God for something. Okay, I want this, I want that, I want a good job, and then you ask yourself, will I get the good job? Will God help me in that? And you ask again and again to that situation. Okay, now once you have said to the nature God that I want this, it means it is now that Almighty's work to give you. So you don't have to overthink of it. So 90% of the problem is overthinking. The next is have responsibility that you find overwhelming. Okay, many times there are people who are very happy to perform their family responsibility. They feel really good to help to their family. So that responsibility, that pressure, that can be a good pressure, and you can call that it also cause stress. Don't have enough work. Yeah, sometimes lot of work can give you stress. Many a times no work can also bring stress. अरे मेरे पास कुछ काम ही नहीं है, I don't have any work to perform. Okay, so that can also be the problem. Activities or change in your life, as I said earlier. Experience discrimination, hate, or abuse. Yes, of course. Discrimination, it means biasity in certain things, that I'm working hard, but still my colleagues are getting promotion, and despite I'm doing hard work, I'm not getting any of the good response or positive response because I am a woman, or it may be due to gender, it may be due to caste, racism, due to religion, many a times. So this can bring anxiety or anger, or you can say hatred in someone's mind, and that can cause stress. नहीं नहीं ये ऐसा ही होता है, कितना भी मेहनत करूँ मुझे कोई सक्सेस नहीं मिलती, आई डोंट गेट सक्सेस एट ऑल. So this can be the cause again of stress. Okay. So yes, hating, family issue, having conflicts in the family. Yes, time to change. You have to come up. Then money, financial problem. Then certain relationship problems. Many of them are having different problems. Many of them come with different issues and solve with us. So, what are the effects of stress? Obviously, what are the effects of stress? So, there are many bad impacts on your health, that is on physical health as well as mental health, because of stress. So, the first thing, the simple one, is headache. सर मत खाओ, मेरा दिमाग फटा जा रहा है. Okay, my head is spinning. Okay, stay out of it, my head is just hammering. So these are the words that we come when we are in stress. If you analyze yourself, you are also using this type of words, right? Then weight gain, because of stress your brain starts working. Okay, and because of that the thing happen is you need more glucose. When glucose is produced more in your body, it is saturated somewhere, and due to that, I'm not going in deep in medical, but due to that you start gaining your weight. So weight gain can also be a problem. After weight gaining there are lots and lots of list of problems coming back, right? Then heartburn, yes. Many of the people who are in lot of stress are having heart issues. So cardiological issues come because of stress. So 90% blockage, 80% blockage, this is due to stress only. Okay, emotional weakness. Yeah, stress can give you, it can make you emotionally weak. So somebody can cry any of the time, or can go in depression and become emotionally weak about certain things, or unemotional as well. Stress can give unemotional as well, make you unemotional. Then increase depression. Yes, depression is a problem. Yeah. So the stress negatively taken can create depression. Nothing is going to happen with me. Nothing is good to me. Okay. Your subconscious mind start thinking in a नेगेटिव वे, कि मेरे साथ कुछ नहीं होने वाला है, मेरा लाइफ में कुछ नहीं हो सकता. देन इट ट्राइज टू सुसाइड और certain wrong, big wrong decisions which can cause disaster in your life. So stress taking in a negative can increase depression and can make your life spoil. So think carefully how to handle stress. I hope you came to know that this is a very crucial topic that we are talking about today. Okay, if you have any doubts, any problem, we are having question and answer session at the end, so you can ask me there in the comment section, or in between also you can ask me If you have any problem with yourself, I'm ready, little bit which I can help you out. We'll see at the end of the session. Next is high blood pressure. Yes, of course, when there is a heartburn, heart is pumping either faster or either low, then there is a blood pressure issue. Sometimes high blood pressure, sometimes low blood pressure. Okay, headache, again we have the same. And the next is anger. Yes, anger, गुस्सा आ जाता है छोटी छोटी बातों पे. There are many people who get angry, okay, on us or on somebody very quickly without no reason. So if they are getting angry on you, just one thing I wanted to tell, that tell them, are you in stress? Any problem? Because the person who is angry is always in stress. Okay. The next is, see, these are the pictorial representations of stress. The high and low blood pressure, the boss is shouting. Okay. And for this, the boss shouting under stress or getting angry, I have one solution to all of you, because all of you are job working, many of them. Okay, then heartbreak. Okay, sometimes emotionally weak. Then the next is fighting, that can cause fighting, tension about job, about studies, about work, about relationship, about career, about business, about finance, many things. The heart is pumping very faster. So these are some representation. If you are going through this phase, it is really dangerous for you. You have to strictly come back so that you can be very happy in your life if you are stress free. So in the next slides, we are in the upcoming slides, we are going to discuss about how to become stress free. With stress, become happy. So let's see. Yes, talking about stress management. Yeah. Now there is a problem, that is stress. Now w- we can't say that remove stress from my life. No, it is not possible. If you are stress free completely, you don't have any tension, any issue, you will not work, you will not grow. For growing, okay, in your life, not physically just, but in all ways, okay, in every phase, growing, stress is necessary. But with stress, the good wala stress, okay, the good stress or positive stress is really good for us, not the negative ones. So, what to do of that negative stress? So, we have to learn to manage it. No, I'm not telling remove stress from your life. It will never go. If it goes, your progress will stop. You can say that you are stopped living if you are not in stress. Bilkul bhi. So stress is important, but you have to manage it effectively. So let us see what is stress management now. Okay, so management is a range of technique. Okay, first thing is very much important, that is technique, strategies means some ideas. Okay, and therapies are some processes designed to help people. Okay, exactly, we are coming to our point. Today's topic, strategies to control stress. Okay, so help people control their stress. So here we are discussing our main core topic, that is controlling the stress. Okay. Yes. Stress management. Let us magnify it. What is exactly stress management? So yes, before we go on exact topic of stress management, we shall come to know that what happens. Okay, why stress management is important. Okay, some people are still still the unaware that why stress management क्यों चाहिए. Stress है, अच्छा है, चलेगा, जाने दो, let it be, let us move on in our life. No, if you want to live a very effective and healthy life, a productive life, stress management is really important. So, to balance our life, okay, we need stress management. If we are able to manage stress, We can balance our life, we can make it productive, we can achieve our goals, okay, and live a very happy life with our family, our friends, and everybody. Then have a good health. Of course, when you manage your stress, you will feel happy. When you are happy, there are certain hormones that gives you that generates when you are happy, and that are very good for health. Okay, you will not have anxiety. You won't become angry. You don't have blood pressure, and you don't have heartburn. So obviously, you have a good health. You will eat properly. You will have survive properly, and you're happy as well. No, so you'll have a happy attitude. Of course, when you are happy, uh, you do many good things. You gratitude. You are smiling, and as you are happy, your family is happy. Your friends are happy with you. So this brings happiness in your life. Then it builds confidence as well. Yes, I can do it. When you manage your stress, you don't have tension. You don't have that negative part in your life. So yes, you are confident that yeah, I can do this, I can do that. Yeah. Then it is high pressure performance. Sorry, high performance. Obviously, when you are confident, you perform well. You perform well. You deliver well. When you deliver well, you get result well. Again, it balances your life. Yes, yeah. Better emotional control. Obviously, when you are able to manage your stress, you are emotionally strong. Now you are not emotionally weak. So you can handle situations in a great way. So even if anything happens in your job, in your personal life, in your relationship with your kids, your parents, your girlfriend, your boyfriend, or your husband, wife, or any other relationship or financial problem, your business relationship, you can handle it very properly. Okay, so this builds your positive mindset. Yes, and build good relationship. Obviously, you are able to handle emotional things. You don't take decisions by just emotion. You involve both your heart and your brain in the work. It means that you are going to build a good relationship, a strong relationship that is going to help you to perform well in your activity. So these are the major. There are many more list of importance of stress management, but which I found most important, I have shared with you. And due to time lacking, I have just shared this six seven just for your information. There are many more things that are involved in the importance of stress management. So this is very important part. Okay. There. Yes. So these are certain pictures that tells you that what happens when you are stress management, effectively controlling stress management. So you smile, okay, you are happy. The next thing is you eat well, and you enjoy your life. Yes, something good is happening, something interesting is happening in my life. So you are very, very smiling, happy mode. Okay, then you are just chill pill, like take it easy, yeah. No, you just be cool. Then you meditate, you perform new things. As you are coming here, it means what, you are attending the session, it means what, that you are really having certain problem, maybe in some or other frequency, and you want to solve that problem in a very effective way, and that's why you're giving your valuable time to attend this webinar, right? So you are also taking a positive step towards stress management. You're getting it. Your first step towards stress management is attending the webinar completely. So you are now going to start enjoying the life after this webinar, because exactly you are going to know that what are the strategies to manage stress, and you're going to apply it in your life, and obviously you're going to be happy. At least you're going to control your things and manage your stress effectively in a positive way that can give you a productive outcome. So you're going to be positive after this session. Okay, then you are keeping calm. and be positive, relax. Okay, your body posture will be very silent. You will create some productive stuff. Okay, after that you will meditate, you will do enjoyments. These are certain things that I found that after being after managing stress effectively, what I do generally, what I perform. Yeah, and I start loving, okay, loving pets, loving nature, loving people around me, loving my family, my friends, myself first, obviously, and all. Yes, so now we are going to talk about the main session, that is effective strategies to manage stress. This is exactly what you all wanted, okay, to know what exactly you need, what exactly you want to know. That is the strategy, the ideas that you are going to manage stress. Okay, so first, before we go through the answers of this, I would like you to have 2 minutes, okay, and think about what stress exactly you have. And if you have time, if you have a paper and a pen with you, write down the list, that what problem I am facing and what are the things I am having problem with. Just take a pen and a paper and just write it down. I'll tell you, this is a very active session, okay, and you will definitely have a good outcome from it. Okay, if you want to try, you can do. I'll just give you 2 minutes. So take a pen and a paper, or a mobile or somewhere. Note down what stress you have exactly. Maybe any issue you are facing through. You don't have to share it with anybody, you have to keep it with yourself, because when I'm going to discuss with you different strategies, you will come to know exactly what strategy you have to use in your life. So that's the reason. Okay, so I'll give you 2 minutes for that. Write it down, and then we shall discuss about the exact strategies to manage stress. Yes, we are on the page of answer, what exact strategies we require. So let us first start with the first point that is very important, that is change how you see the situation. The first thing is mindset. Okay, the positive mindset is very important. How you see the situation, is that situation really stressful, is that under our control? So see, when situation comes to you, I told you to list down your stress. Okay. For say, I am reading just one point of my stress. Maybe that is, I'm having stress of uh, XYZ thing. Hmm. So it is because of my boss shouting unnecessary to me. Okay. So is this shouting of my boss in my control? No, it is not in my control. So why I am getting stress? Just because he is shouting. He is shouting or he is in anger mode because he is in stress. And that stress I am taking. Why? So change the vision of your life. Change your eyes to see the situation. Whenever I come across such type of things, okay, I usually be calm and I say that, sir, any problem? uh, is there any problem that you are facing and because of that you are angry? If I am not in the fault, okay. So many times it happens with you that you are getting scolded by somebody, maybe by parents, by your partner, unnecessarily fighting with you, having conflicts with you without no reason, or on short small things. Okay, so many times it happens. So that time just be calm and keep quiet. After some time, ask them, are you in problem? What is your issue? See the situation in different way. Okay, so this will help you, and you will realize that 90% problem is not you. It is something else but you are being a target of it. So this will really help. This is the सबसे बड़ा, the main mindset that you have to build for yourself. Then reframe your thoughts. Obviously, you have to change your thoughts. You don't have to blame yourself. Many a times when this stressful situation comes, most of the people blame themselves. मेरी वजह से ऐसे हुआ, मैं ही मैं ही कसूरवार हूँ. I am the person who is responsible for this disaster, this destroyment. uh, I am not able, I am not capable, I am not. That not is not important. Okay, you don't have to use the word not. So reframe your thought, the situation. Okay, in one of the spiritual set, it is said that karmanye vadikarasya ma phaleshu kadachane. What is karmanye vadikarasya? What is that? Karmanye vadikarasya means um, work is in your hand. Okay, to work is that you can control. Hmm, you can do. तो काम करते वक्त, when you are doing work, you become active, you give your 100% on that work particularly. Ma phaleshu kadachane. Phale, it means the result. Don't take tension about the result, because result is never in your hand. Any of the result, I'm not talking about just school, college and exam result or something like that, maybe about job. You try to focus to give your best performance in the interview. Okay, I gave my 100% for my interview. I prepared well, I answered well, I did everything. Okay, but whether I'll get the job or not is not in my hand. So the outcome or the result is not in my hand. So you have to clear that mindset, that thought with yourself. So मैंने इंटरव्यू दिया, मेरा काम खत्म हो गया, जॉब मिला तो अच्छा है. It is due to Almighty, it is due to luck, it is due to various other reasons. Okay, so leave that. Then set priorities. Of course, anything is not happening. Many times people are in problem because they are unable to set their priorities. First, list down what are the things important to you. Firstly, yourself. If you go by Maslow's theory, you'll find that the first important thing is yourself. है ना? अगर हम खुश नहीं हैं, we can't keep happy others. So if you are happy, you will keep others happy. Okay, so set your priority that I should be happy first. I should start love myself. If you are not loving yourself, you won't be able to love others. Okay, you won't be able to give your 100% to others. So set your priority first yourself, then towards your family and your friends, those who are always supportive to you in your bad times. Yeah, it is most that your family, your friends are being supporting to you for any situation you come across. Sometimes family is not supporting, that time friends are with you. Sometimes you don't have friends, your family is only the friend of you. So family friend comes next. And when you are talking about yourself, you are also connecting yourself to the Almighty God. So here comes a spiritual topic also. As I am personally very spiritual to my deeds, so I talk about when you are having problem, you share with your God. You share with the nature God. You share with your whomsoever you are praying to. It may be any like Jesus, Allah, Krishna, anybody, or Yahweh, anyone you are praying, the Almighty will always give you the power. Okay, it gives you power to survive and bring positive approach in yourself. You trust on Him. Okay, you trust on the Almighty that yes, He is there with me, even though nobody is with me. He is there with me. And set your priorities, your prayers, your meditation, your self care, self awareness. Then love towards your pet, love towards your family members, love towards your friends, everybody. Okay, so set your priorities. Then comes your food and diet. Obviously, health is very important. Okay, many times in stressful person do not keep their health properly, do not eat properly, they don't like, they have nausea and they avoid food eating. So And overthinking can increase glucose in their body, so they are becoming fat also, they are having blood pressure and all these type of issues. So health is wealth, no? Health is wealth. So keeping care of your healthy diet and healthy eating healthy food is very important. Eating food, proper food, not the junk food or bad food, but proper food is very important. Then take control. Sorry, take control. Yes, take control of your mind. Nobody has a right to hurt you. Nobody is hurting you. Many a times people complain and come to us. Many of my clients come and ask that because of that girl, I got hurt. She left me and she hurted me. No, nobody hurts you except yourself. Because you allow her to hurt you, you are hurted. Why are you giving control to somebody else? Why are you giving control to certain things that is hurting you? One person is having car and due to some financial issues that car is gone. Okay, it is taken by bank. Now that person is very in stress and very sad because his feelings are getting stuck in that car. They engage in that car. Why I say your emotional feelings are engaged in the car? Why are you giving the car the control of your happiness? The people who don't have car are not happy. They are happy. So in what things, what people, which people you are uh, giving your happiness is very important. If that person is not uh, not capable of you, or he is not having any right to stay in your life, why are you giving control to that person to destroy you? Who is that? Who is that person? When God has created you so beautifully and has given you a human life, a life of brain mindfulness, you have all body parts, you are healthy wealthy. Okay, there are many people who don't have they are disabled, who don't have proper organs, still they have motive to show themselves. God has gifted us so beautiful life with so beautiful body. So in that case, why are we thinking about these negative peoples, these negative things that we don't have? Why are we sad for the things we don't want or we don't have in our life? We should be happy for the things what we have, what we are with. So I am happy. I am having house because when I see the people who are not having house, not having anything, they are so sad. But God has given me that blessing that I have my own house, I have a small car, I have friends, I have family, the beautiful family, I have job, I have work. No, you should be thankful to all these things. That will give positive approach in your life. So don't give control to unnecessary and faltu things. Okay, avoid extremes. Yes, you should never be extreme, like एकदम लास्ट वाला कभी नहीं बोलना चाहिए. No, you should be moderate. No, you should not talk. Whenever you speak, once you spell it, finished. इन हिंदी ऐसे बोलते हैं, एक बार तीर निकल गया कमान से तो दोबारा वापस नहीं आता. Once the arrow is been moved, it doesn't come back. No, so think before you talk. Okay, don't go in the extreme position. You never know. You need that person any after, or you need that thing any after. So in anger, don't take any decision. Yeah, figure out what's important to you. Yes. Nowadays, I see many of the cases of suicide. Children's youths usually do suicide because of failure in their life. Okay, there are certain cases where parents come and cry, my son did suicide because he was having a girlfriend and we didn't allow him, and so he did suicide. Or the I was loving a boy but family didn't agreed, so I don't want to live. Or that boy left me, or that girl left me, now nothing is there in my life. Now tell me that in relationship, one person who leaves you, ask yourself, is that person really with you? Because is that person really loving you? Because the person who will love you will never leave you, right? So if he is not loving you, if he's leaving, it means he's telling you indirectly that I don't love you. And the person who is not lovable, who is not loving you, why are you caring about that person? Why are you giving control to that person? Okay, why are you giving control to that thing? So figure out what's important to you. The family which is crying because you are crying, the people surrounded by you are unhappy because you are unhappy, are your people, are your real people who care about you, not the one. For that one particular relation, you are going to make unhappy to all your lovable relation, those who really care for you. So try to figure out what is important to you, your family, your friends, yourself. That is very important. Not this type of things who are going and leaving you. You don't have any right to hurt these people who loves you. ओके। तो मैं मेरे स्टूडेंट्स को बहुत बार बोलती हूँ, तुमको कोई हक नहीं बनता अपने पेरेंट्स को दुख देने का। उनका गुनाह ये है कि क्या वो आपसे प्यार करते हैं, ये उनका गुनाह है जिसकी सजा तुम उन्हें दे रहे हो। सो इवन इफ यू कम अक्रॉस डिफरेंट प्रॉब्लम, you don't have to forget who are the people who loves you the most. Then relaxation techniques. So yes, relaxation techniques involve meditation. There are many meditation of formulas like pranayam, basrika, okay, anulom vilom. These are the ways, yoga asanas, to keep your mind and your body very calm. Shavasana, okay, stress-free activities. Then sleep. Obviously, 7 to 8 hours sleep is very necessary. If you don't sleep well, you will not get up freshly and you will not work very freshly. So your body, as your mental health needs stress free environment, your body needs sleep. So that is the main that is also food of our body, the need of our body. So family and friends, yes, of course, spend time with family and friends. That is the most golden time which we may or may not get for the next time. So whenever you get time, whenever you get opportunity, because as time goes, people change, situation changes, or you don't get time because of your job, work, business, anyhow. So whenever you get time to spend with your loving people, that is your family and your friends, obviously spend time with them. That time don't use your mobile. Okay, keep your mobile aside, because family and friends are not people whom you talk just on mobile. You should have been your physical presence gives them lot and lot of happiness which you can't even imagine. Okay, and exercise, yes, of course exercise is important. I don't say a very heavy exercise, but yes, daily a little bit exercise, just walking in the woods. ओके, थोड़ा सा चलने से एनवायरनमेंट में, अगर आप यू आर रिच विथ योर एनवायरनमेंट, like you have trees. If there are not trees, you plant it in your balcony or in the window slide. Okay, so that will really give you an exercise uh, of loving nature. Okay, and set realistic goal. Obviously set realistic goals so that you can't get in depression, like I will do this, that is not possible for me. Okay, so I don't have to set that goal. Whatever I can achieve, only that much I have to uh, I have to think about it. Step by step, move ahead. Okay, firstly, don't try to apply all these stress management activities at one time. Firstly, think that okay, I will change my mindset first. Because यहाँ से अगर आप काम करोगे, then everything will happen. So first, I'm going to think from my mind. Then I want to set my priorities. Then I want to take care of myself. Then I will control everything. I'll use relaxation technique. I'll feel good. I'll spend time with my family. I sleep well. I do exercise. I'll set realistic goal in my life. And then obviously when you start doing, your life will start changing. Some big people have told, like a renowned sentence that if you want to change the world, bring that change in you first. So if you want to come out of the situation, and I'm surely knowing that the people who are in the webinar want to come out of their stressful situation, फिर वो कोई भी हो, it may be in your family, it may be at the job place, it may be in your business, it may be in your personal life, it may be in your relationship. You have to come out of the situation, and that's why you're waiting till now. So if you want to come out of the situation, you only have to take action. No miracle is going to happen, nothing is going to happen if you don't change yourself. ओके, कोई नहीं आने वाला है आपकी लाइफ को चेंज करने वाला अलादीन। तो आप ही आपके लाइफ के अलादीन और जीनी हैं। ओके, तो जीनी को लाना होगा, यू हैव टू रब योर माइंड सेट। ओके, ऑटोमेटिकली देर विल बी अ मिरेकल, you will see it. So you will be the architecture of your future life. Whatever you will do today, okay, that will be your future tomorrow. So keep that thing in mind. If you cry and go in negative depression, and whatever bad things you are attracting towards self, that will come to you in future. Did you get this? Yes. So if anybody is having any question, any doubt, anything that you want me to answer, or you want some more information about, you can definitely ask me any situation. Yeah. Any questions? I hope you understand whatever I said. Did you like it? Can you give in the comment section that what are your reviews? Okay. How to overcome academic stress? Yes. Okay. Very good question. Natalia Vasim. Yeah. To tell you is I am also a professor, and this question is mostly asked to me by my students, that how to overcome the academic stress. Mm, so first thing, if you are uh, a college student or a school student, make a timetable of your subject. As I said, set priorities. So your first priority is education, so for that, make time for education, like make time for your studies. That okay, in the if I am a morning studier, then I will take that morning 5 o'clock. I will get up till 8 o'clock. 3 hours I will study, for example. Okay, so 3 hours will be my productive study hours. Now in these 3 hours, whatever I have to study, I will make a timetable of it. Make a realistic timetable, okay, of the studies. So to make the timetable, you should go with your syllabus, how many subjects you have, which syllabus you are having, which is the difficult subject, you will take it first. Because many a time student, what they do, amazing thing, that the subject they don't like, they leave it. जो सब्जेक्ट अच्छा लग रहा है उसी की पढ़ाई करेंगे, जो सब्जेक्ट बुरा लग रहा है, जो नहीं आ रहा है हमें, वो तो वो बच्चे छोड़ ही देते। तो ऑब्वियसली कम मार्क्स मिलना तो लाजमी है, तो यू विल गेट लेस मार्क्स ओनली if you don't study the hard subject. The subject which is difficult to you, you should study that subject more, you should give that subject more time. So first analyze yourself, okay, do self analysis, that which subject is difficult to me, then set realistic goal, prepare timetable, and collect according to timetable. First collect your material, study material together, and stick to the timetable. सो 5 o'clock मुझे उठना है और पढ़ाई पे बैठना है, मतलब मुझे बैठना ही है। आई वॉन्ट टू स्टडी इट ऑट 5 o'clock ओनली, नॉट टूडे। कंसिस्टेंसी इज द की। सो कंसिस्टेंसी इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। तो आपको हर रोज 2 घंटे पढ़ाई करनी है, तो आपको बाद में 8 8 9 9 आवर्स पढ़ाई नहीं करनी होगी। आई टीच टू सी ए स्टूडेंट्स, आई टीच टू MPSC UPSC स्टूडेंट्स, आई टीच टू वेरियस कॉम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम स्टूडेंट, बैंकिंग एग्जाम, CPA स्टूडेंट्स, as well as engineering students. So they study for 7 8 hours at exam time. I say no need. I personally studied only 2 hours, and I was a university topper for scoring 100 out of 100. And I don't didn't study more than 2 hours because I used to follow my timetable very strictly. So getting strict to the timetable is most important. So If you follow that, then there are many other points, but it is not possible for us to discuss the every academic stress issues over here. But yes, the basic thing is make timetable, stick to the timetable, एंड प्रिपेयर योर माइंडसेट दैट मुझे पढ़ाई करनी ही है 2 घंटे हर रोज। 2 घंटे में आप आपको पता चलेगा आफ्टर 1 मंथ यू आर टोटली गिविंग लाइक 60 hours you have studied, 2 hours a day, 30 days a week, month if you carry, then 30 hours. So 2 hours a day, it means 60 hours you are studying. 60 hours is a lot big time. Yes. Next, thank you. I hope you have solved your problem, Natalia. Yes, non-so Victor. Some humans can just be stressor to others because of their own ego. How we eradicate to that sort of stress? Yes, as discussed before, why are you giving that person the control of your emotions? वो स्ट्रेस में है इसीलिए तो आप पे आपको ईगो दिखा रहा है, आपको गुस्सा दिखा रहा है, आपको एटीट्यूड दिखा रहा है। आपने उनको ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंट दे रखा है। यू व्हाई यू आर टेकिंग देयर ईगो? इफ दैट पर्सन इज हैविंग ईगो, ओके, बी विद दैट ईगो। आर मुझे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ रहा है। Why I am giving control to that person of my happiness? Who is that person? आप ये सवाल का जवाब दीजिए खुद को कि क्या वो इंसान इतना मेरे लाइफ में ज़रूरी है? इज़ दैट पर्सन वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट इन माई लाइफ? येस और नो? द आंसर विल बी ऑब्वियसली वो इम्पोर्टेंट नहीं है। अगर वो आपको ईगो दिखा रहा है तो आपकी लाइफ में वो इम्पोर्टेंट नहीं है इंसान। तो आप आपकी खुशियाँ उसके हाथ में क्यों दे रहे हैं? और अगर वो इम्पोर्टेंट है तो आपको उसकी बातें इगोइस्टिक नहीं लगनी चाहिए। Isn't it? Yes. How can I maintain this positive mindset in the long term? I feel a sense of relaxation and motivation while listening to the session. Oh, thank you, Boshra, Sabur. Yeah. When you start following, so management, no? When we talk about management, management is generally a process. Okay, it is a continuous process. So whatever discussion we have did in the session, that we are going to keep on moving as and when you start taking your initial level, as you said that you are feeling relaxed and motivation while listening to the session, तो ये आपकी फर्स्ट स्टेप हुई। तो ऐसे ही आप प्रोडक्टिव कुछ चीजें सुना कीजिए। एएस के प्लेटफॉर्म ही बना इसीलिए है to give you motivation and relaxation, a sense of relaxation. So you'll come across different various topics in this. सो पॉजिटिव माइंडसेट तो आपका इधर बनने ही वाला है। प्लस जो चीजें मैंने अभी डिस्कस करी है, द थिंग्स दैट आई हैव डिस्कस इन द स्ट्रेटेजीज, इफ यू कीप ऑन फॉलोइंग, okay, you keep on following two or three, making a combination of two three, obviously you will keep on improving yourself. And you don't have to ask me, but you will answer me that these are the things that I follow in my life, and now I am able to effectively manage my stress. Now stress is not my problem. I accept stress with gratitude, and that will be the success of my webinar. Okay. Yes. Next. Okay. How to identify the triggering point of our stress? Okay. So there is no such triggering point, as we see in the first session that the signs of stress. Okay, in very starting, I think we have discussed this. Yeah, the signs of stress. So there are many other signs also which I found more important to discuss in this session, that I involved in this. But there are many other triggering points that you can identify that you are in stress. The situation that is making you sad, that is giving bad impact to you, that will be the point where you are in stress. Yes. And once you figure out that you are in stress, little bit also, you have to start applying this. And if you already started applying this, you will never come in stress. So as you said in the first question that you are not in, now you are feeling relaxed, now you are motivated. So I don't think so stress will touch you. Stress is the enemy of the person who is effectively managing stress. So it will never come to you again. So don't try to overthink on this problem. If stress comes to me, then what will happen? So we are ready with our sword and we are going to just win. We are going to have a victory. Okay. Keep that positive mindset with you. Yes. Any other question? Any other question? Okay, ma'am. Partab Rai. Ma'am, what is a main clinically cause of stress? Okay. Um so there are certain different types of stress that are chronic stress and psychological stress and many other things, which I didn't involve in this session because I didn't wanted to make it very medically, so that common people won't be able to understand it properly. Just I was taking the overall stress issue, but yes, clinically, cause of stress is not taking care of yourself. That is, self care can be the cause of stress. The main thing is self care. Okay, if you don't take care of yourself, if you have that causes of stress, if you go through it, then you will come to know that what are the main causes. And clinically, then you can say that about your health issues, no, the bad impact of stress on your physical health. Sometimes it is mental also. Both comes in the clinical type. Yes. Ranwal Khan. Nowadays, it is very important to manage stress at life. Yes, it is very important because everybody, right from kid to adult, are in the stress mode. Kids are having exam problem. Okay. I am a university student, ma'am. Okay. Yes, Natalia. Yeah, okay, I got it. Yeah. Why we, Dr. Ayman Afaq, why we feel so lazy? Okay, how to overcome laziness, to hide from, to get rid of everything. This laziness affects financial stress also. Okay, so being lazy is not bad, but being very much lazy, too much lazy is very bad. So for that again. Set priorities, what is important to you. So if your financial things are important to you, so you should figure out how you will solve it. So if मुझे कोई पैसों की प्रॉब्लम हो रही है, तो मुझे पैसे कहाँ कहाँ से आ सकते हैं. So as I am a professor, my teaching will be the way to earn money. The lectures will be the way to earn money. So मुझे क्या करना है कि मुझे पेड लेक्चरशिप कहाँ मिल रही है, आई कैन फाइंड अ जॉब एज अ प्रोफेसर और नॉट. सो अगर मुझे जॉब नहीं मिल रहा है प्रोफेसर का मेरे एरिया में, तो आई वांट टू स्टार्ट माय ओन क्लासेस. ओके, अगर वो भी नहीं हो रहा है, तो आई वांट टू स्टार्ट सम ऑनलाइन स्टफ. तो मुझे फाइनेंशियली स्टेबल करने के लिए कौन से वेज है जो मुझे आ सकते हैं, विच आई एम कैपेबल ऑफ. आई हैव टू फाइंड आउट. ओके. और ऑब्वियसली आई हैव टू सेट प्रायोरिटी. मुझे नींद प्यारी है, मुझे घर में बैठ के रोना प्यारा है, मुझे परेशान ऐसे, अरे मैं क्या करूँ, मेरे खर्चे कैसे करूँ, ये मुझे ज़रूरी है, या मुझे काम करना है और 4 पैसे घर लाना है, ये ज़रूरी है. तो आप क्या सोचती है? आपका माइंडसेट क्या कहता है? व्हाट इज़ योर माइंडसेट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. We have mindset sessions also, where we talk about the power of our mindset, how to change it. And yes, when you change your mindset, automatically your laziness comes down. ऐसे आप सोच के नहीं लेजीनेस गवा सकते. यू कैंट लीव योर लेजीनेस बाय जस्ट थिंकिंग, नो टुडे आई एम taking that promise that I won't be lazy. This cannot happen. After half an hour, you will find yourself on bed. So laziness go when you set priorities to certain other things. Right now, if you are feeling that you are lazy, it means you are giving priority to that laziness. So आप आपके लेजीनेस को प्रायोरिटी देना बंद कीजिए, ऑटोमेटिकली वो चला जाएगा सेकेंड थर्ड फोर्थ लिस्ट पे, नीचे आ जाएगा. Thank you so much, ma'am, for this webinar. I really enjoyed this. Thank you for attending the webinar. Thank you so much. Okay, yes, Pascal. How do you manage family related stress? Okay. So, family related stress, I would talk that it it is occurring in your life because of expectations. Okay, there is certain different part about family stress. The thing is, yeah, other type of stress, you don't you are not coming across the lovable people, but your family is the place where you love them, they love you as well. But there also sometimes conflict occurs. Why the conflict of occur? If you find the root cause of your fighting or conflicts in your family, you will find out that you are expecting from that person. So if I talk about myself, that I am expecting something from my husband to come home early. Okay, and on the same day he has some work in his office and he comes late. So my attitude will be like, why you came now? What's the need? Okay, for my birthday I want him to come early, so I'm expecting him to come early. But as I am expecting, it is in my mind. But he is also having his personal life. Okay. So he is having some work. So he is unable to come and attend the function. So if I myself take the things that what makes me happy is important, that his arrival will make me happy. So whether he comes at 8 o'clock or whether he comes at 9 o'clock, he comes and wishes to me is most important. So in that case, what priority you give to somebody, what you give control to something, time is not important. The person whom I love is most important. So I personally don't expect anything from my family, okay, from nobody, but I accept them with good and bad, because every people you won't find everything good in them. But when you love somebody, you have to expect their bad side also. As our parents, even though we make too much of mistake, don't they accept us? Yes, they accept us with gratitude. क्या वो हमें छोड़ देते हैं? नहीं, हमें किसी भी गलत सिचुएशन में, बुरी हालत में हमारा साथ देते हैं. So similarly, we have to do the same thing in our life. Don't expect much from your family. Accept them with smile. अगर कोई मसला भी होता है, accept it. Okay, smile and accept it. And after some time, wait. After some time, when think over the problem, why I was in stress. Think over it. Think for the solution. I am sure you will definitely find your answer very properly. Yes, I hope I have answered the question, family related stress question, Pascal. आप ट्राई कीजिएगा ज़रूर. Yes. Shafiq. Okay. Nowadays, everyone face stress. Yes. Nowadays, everyone face stress, but there are few people who effectively manages stress. Okay. Yes. Uh, Isaiah. Time management is imperative in stress management. Yeah, when you set priorities, you set timetable, obviously. So timetable plays a very important role. So yes, time management. We have session of time management also. If you go through ASK slides, you will find the time management slide in the previous webinars, and the previous slide share in slide share. We have that time management, and that is also given by me only in the past. So you'll find the PDF in the slide share. Just go on the slide share, and you'll find the about the time management, effective way to use time. Okay. Yes. So, uh, yes, thank you. Thank you so much for the session, for listening till the end. I hope this will change your life, and I hope that will bring best changes. Thank you so much. Again, at the end, I would like to thank Dr. Aksar Abbani for the amazing arranging the amazing session. Thank you, ASK Fraternity. Thank you so much. Okay. Uh, yeah. Okay, I actually meant stress related to finance and family. Okay. So finance and family is like, as I said, you have to find out the solutions, not in relation, but also the solution to your finance, how you can gain finance. Like you have to find out, no, figure out the ways to get finance. Which way, passive income, active income, आप जो भी बिजनेस कर रहे हैं, जॉब कर रहे हैं, तो आपको सिचुएशन फाइंड करनी होगी, सॉल्यूशंस ढूंढने होंगे, और ये आपको खुद को करना होगा. Okay. Everything cannot cover in this session, but I will request the team leader to have one financial session, because I am belonging to a commercial background. I can ask and request the ASK fraternity for that, but we'll surely come with the financial solutions to many of the questions. So I'll come to you on this question very soon. ओके, बट फाइनेंस फर्स्ट बेसिक थिंग आप ये करिए कि आप पहले सॉल्यूशंस फाइंड कीजिए कि कहाँ से मुझे फाइनेंस आ सकता है, एंड देन यू कैन सॉर्ट कि यस दिस इज फिजिबल, दिस इज रियलिस्टिक. इफ यू फाइंड द सॉल्यूशन टू योर फाइनेंस, definitely you will come down the stress. Yes, thank you so much. Okay.